Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, what I am going to show you how we can create the CSV file from a SQL table in Spark SQL. So what I am going to do here, first I will create a table. This is the schema of the table by using this CSV and the path of the CSV file is this one. Header is equal to true and mode is the override. So based on this CSV file, it will populate the data here. Once this table gets created and the data has been populated, so what I will going to do, I will going to create a data frame with the help of a Spark.SQL and I will fetch all the records which is present in this table with the help of a select a star from AP, imply from CSV. Then what I will going to do in the Python language, I am going to write this CSV file, this data frame with the help of a write operator, write function. I will going to create this CSV file. So there are different modes are there. That's why I have created different sets of file. Ignore mode, error mode, overwrite mode. So I have explained in detail one of my playlist, that is implementation of a Spark function with the help of a PySpark. If you want to know how the append, override, ignore and error save mode will going to work, you can go and watch my playlist which is all about implementation of Spark using PySpark. I will show you how we can create a table and how we can write the data frame in a CSV file. So let's go to the Databricks. Let's create a notebook. Name the notebook as SQL table to CSV and write and disconnect with our running cluster. Let me create a table again. So what I will going to do, I will just copy the code from here and I will paste it to save time, and here just make it 3 and run it. This table gets created with the help of the CSV file, means all the data which is present in this CSV file now it's also present in this table. Now creates a, with the help of a Python, let's create a data frame. How we are going to create a data frame? We are going to create data frame with the help of a Spark SQL, and here we need to write select star from the table name. What is the name of the table? This is the name of the table and run it. This data frame has been created successfully. Now let's see the content of this table which has been written here. So how we are going to see it? Select star from the name of the table. It has a 5 records and 6 columns. Now let's write this data frame in a CSV file. So how we are going to write it? First we need to write code in the Python. So write is a Python and then what we need to do, this is the data frame name. What is the data frame name? This is the data frame name. Just copy it. Here we have to use this write function, and over that we have to write the CSV, which kind of a file we are going to write. So this is the CSV list. Let me copy the path. We need to provide the path. Okay, let me copy here this. Let me copy the path from here and paste it. We need to change something here. We need to just put one more SQL output. SQL output, and this is the employee.csv file is present. Now run it. So what I have done here, I have created a data frame by reading all the data which is present in this table with the help of a Spark.SQL, and with the help of a write operation, write.csv function, I am writing the content which is present in this data frame to this CSV file. So let's see this CSV file has been created or not. So if you want to see, we have to go to the data, and in the data we have to go to the DBFS. In DBFS, this is the user. Now file store, then AP data. In AP data there is a SQL output, and in the SQL output we can see AP underscore employee CSV file has been created successfully. So in this video we have seen, if you want to create a CSV file from a SQL table, so first we need to create a data frame, and once the data frame is created, with the help of a SQL table, we can use the write.csv function to write the data frame to a CSV file. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.